just want to show you this because I got this removed. There's a lever on the back, two levers on the back right here. This two, this gray thing, and then you just turn it and to release this. So this was released. Oh wait, what is this? Oh, it's from the vacuum. Okay, so it's basically cleaning all these nooks and crannies here, and then I'm still cleaning this from the hair and threads that got stuck there. So basically what I already got is like this big clump hair, threads, and dusts. So I should wear a mask, but I don't have a mask right now. Anyway, the wind is going the opposite way, so it's away from me. Okay, so there's more on this side. So now it's a little bit easier to turn this, but needs more work. Needs more work, and it needs more cleaning because it's still dusty. Oh, the weather here is very nice. It's about 76, 75 degrees. So it's there's a nice breeze. So here, look at this nooks and crannies here. There's dust. So dusty here. Okay. This is the first of two vacuums that I'm gonna get from the garbage or from their garage, or she's throwing it. That's okay. They're rich. They're doctors. They can afford it. I think she already bought a new vacuum. One is a shampooer. And this one is a nice vacuum. This is really expensive. I think it's like about $400. Ooh, I thought it's money. Okay, so far so good. There's a few more here. On threads on that side. I think it just doesn't turn, that's why she's throwing it. And I think they got this vacuum since they moved in this house, so it's a little outdated. Not to me though. I need a brush, so I think I'm gonna continue cleaning this when I get home. It's hard to clean when it's very low. Oh me, I'm on old goat, old goose. I need a vacuum to clean a vacuum. That's what it is, right? I think that's what I need is a vacuum. A good vacuum to clean a vacuum. There you go. It's rolling now at least. Earlier it won't roll. I just don't know how to get this thing on. There's more dirt there. I don't have the manual to see how I just watched a little video on YouTube, and it's not even complete. So, and the vacuum they were cleaning is not as dirty. See, look at my pants. I gotta take a bath or a shower. There's more threads here. See, threads. It's not here, threads. Sorry. This is really a powerful vacuum when you get this running. It's a lot easier to turn now, but it needs more work. See this? Here, on this side. Under this wheel. This side. Stop now. For now, I'm just gonna stop it. Woo. It's hard bending. My body is not that elastic anymore. It's nice weather, nice neighborhood, nice neighbor. We got some free tomatoes, or they have some free tomatoes. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.